All right, problem number 9 says, what system of inequalities best represents the graph below? Okay, well, there's two lines in the graph. Uh, there's this one here and this one here. The first thing that I would look at is to make sure that all the equations match. And it looks like all the equations are the same anyway if we ignore the middle sign here. So, okay, the equations are definitely going to match. So that's not going to help us. The next thing that I would do is make sure I know which equation is which. So we've got these ones that are like y is either greater than or less than -2, and then we have the ones that are y either greater than or less than x plus 1. Well, we know that anything that doesn't have a slope, it means it doesn't have anything in front of the x, is going to be a flat line. So this must be y is -2, and this one must be y is x plus 1. We can also double check that by seeing that the y-intercept, which is always the number not in front of an x, is 1. And the slope is 1 because it's up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Alright, so now we know the only thing that we need to do is figure out whether it's going to be less than or greater than. Because we know we're dealing with the y, we're trying to figure out y is less than or y is greater than. Well, the y line goes up and down, so greater than, which is this symbol, remember it always eats the larger number, is going to be up, and then that means that down is the less than. Okay, so this one looks like from this line's perspective, it's being shaded underneath. So that means that this one's got to be y is less than x plus 1. And this one appears to be shaded above from this one's perspective. So this one must be y is greater than -2. Alright, so let's see which one matches. There's the y is greater than -2 for both of these. And then y is less than x plus 1 only on this one. So the answer is B.